Yeah, let us begin with our new topic, that is muscular tissues. So, muscle cells are called as myocytes. Myocytes, myocytes. So, these are the sites, usually cells, usually uh, slightly long, thread-like structures. We call it as muscle fibers. Okay, so the study of muscles is called myology. Okay, so we have different kinds of muscles in our body. Okay, based on the location, function, structure. Okay, based on the structure and function and location, these muscles are three types. So the muscles that are attached to the bones are called as skeletal muscles. So whatever we are seeing, no, our biceps, triceps, which is attached on our face, these all these are the skeletal muscles. So there are muscles which are present in the visceral organs called visceral muscles. These are skeletal muscles. They are under visceral organs. And some muscles are present in the heart walls called as cardiac muscles. Heart wall. Okay, based on the location, the muscles are three types: skeletal muscles, which are attached to the bone, and visceral muscles are present in the visceral organs. Cardiac muscles are present in the walls of the heart. And visceral muscles is also called as soft muscles. I'll explain you why it is soft muscles. So this is based on the location. Now, based on the structure, if you see these skeletal muscles are like this, straight, straight muscles. So the cell wall of the muscles, we call it as sarcolemma. And the cytoplasm of the muscle cells are called as plasma. And also remember, the endoplasmic reticulum in the muscle skeletal cells are called as sarcoplasmic reticulum. So these are the important terms. So the cell wall of the skeletal muscles are called as sarcolemma, and the plasma cytoplasm of the skeletal muscles are called as sarcoplasma, whereas endoplasmic reticulum of the skeletal muscles are called as sarcoplasmic reticulum. So in the skeletal muscles, the nucleus is arranged so behind the cell wall. It's a multinucleated, so they are just near to the cell wall, that is sarcolemma. So multinuclear cells. So skeletal muscles are multinuclear cells. So there are bands, like these bands are there. Okay. Bands are there. So the dark region, dark bands, I'll explain here. Dark band followed by light band, and again dark band, and again dark band. See, dark bands are also called as A bands. A bands or dark bands. Light bands are called as I bands. Okay, these bands are helpful for the contraction of the muscles. Okay, the A bands, they contains myosin, whereas I bands contain actin. Light bands are contain actin. So actin and myosin acts for the contraction of the muscles. Okay, when there is an myosin contracts, the I band will dilate. When I band contracts, this myosin will expands. So that is the way contraction happens in the muscles. So muscles are helpful for the contraction. No? So with that only we can able to move along with the bones. So this the unit of actin, dark band and I band, we call it as sarcomere. Okay. Now sarcomere. Since it is straight, we are telling as straight or striated. Okay, and visceral muscles are not like that. Their cells are conical shape, and only one nuclei. So these are non-striated, non-straight or non-striated. Okay, whereas this cardiac muscles, they are like skeletal muscles, but they are branched one. cardiac muscles. They're also having the striated, straight or striated, but branched. Whereas skeletal muscles are non-branched straight muscles, straight skeletal muscles. These are based on the structure. Now let us see these skeletal muscles. No, for example, in my hand, I have a muscles of biceps, triceps, and etc. So these muscles are under my control. So we call it as voluntary muscles. Okay. Whereas the visceral muscles, no, visceral muscles are present in our alimentary canal. Like we have different movements in the esophagus, that peristaltic movement. We have a movements in the in stomach and intestine. These are the soft tissues, no, soft muscles. They are not in our control. These are involuntary control. Involuntary muscles. Cardiac muscles also involuntary. Involuntary muscles. These are based on the function. So based on the location, these muscles are skeletal muscles or visceral muscles or soft muscles and the cardiac muscles. Based on the structure, straight, non-branched, and whereas visceral muscles are non-striated because the cells are like no spindles, spindle shape. Okay, whereas cardiac muscles are straight but they are branched one. Based on the function, skeletal muscles are voluntary and visceral muscles or soft muscles are involuntary muscles and cardiac muscles are the non-voluntary muscles.